Get a hair on you. Hello again. Welcome back. It's me, Mr. Green, and my friend and son, Harper, Pax Green. We're gonna draw something today. Pencil, pen, and then a Sharpie for the big fat lines. Today we're gonna draw a little creature that a lot of people are a big fan of. Harper here, it's his favorite animal, and he draws these all the time. And we've actually got a sticker he designed of one of these that is on the back of our minivan. We have these in his room. They're everywhere. What is it?
A hedgehog.
Say it loud.
A hedgehog.
Say it with a southern accent.
A hedgehog.
A hedgehog. You're gonna hedgehog it. So we're gonna go light pencil lines. We're gonna do the detail lines with ink pen, and we're gonna do any fat lines or thicker lines with Sharpie. As always, make sure you have fun.
Fun should be had by all.
Fun should be had by all. Enjoy.
He says, "Where's my food?" He said, "You're Let's switch it. What? Dutch
Alright, so Harper and I just finished our light pencil work, and so what's the next step, Harp? Ink. We're going to use ink pens. We're going to use micron ink pens. Use whatever pens you have. And additionally, as we go, if we see a line that might need to be fattened up, what are we going to use, Harper?
Sharpie.
That's right.
Let's switch it. What? Dutch
So those are our hedgehogs. Harper, what's your hedgehog's name?
James.
James. Well, then mine will be Alexander the hedgehog. Any parting words? No, that's it? All right. Hope you enjoyed hedgehogging with us. We'll see you next time. So, do you wish we would have gotten you a hedgehog for your birthday?
Yeah, but it's cool what you already got me.
But don't you know that they smell really bad?
Yeah.
You like little smelly things?
Mhm.
You do?
Mhm.
You're a smelly animal lover?
Mhm.
Gross.